the items. Because if they ask them to carry any goods, they will carry, and the money is not for them, it's for their oga. Any items they carry, their ogas are aware. They are boys only. They are looking for means of their livelihood. Whether the petroleum is good or bad, they are not aware. They are doing a job for the bosses, so they are begging government to come to their aid. What they did, they are not aware. They just do it because they are looking for their daily bread. That's what they said.
To me, you've shattered my life. What have I done to you? So the guy that used your phone? It was him. He came with somebody that they want to buy rice. I can't figure out because I was busy. I was having a lot of customers in my shop. So I know him particularly because I've been seeing him.
Yes, there's once a time that this my in-law, he married my sister. He said I should look where look money, look money, come money. So I took him to America. And I don't know say na job na do. So as I took him to America, I would do the money. So later on, they tell me say the money he has removed is a business now he do. Why me I never know.
Any business?
Okay. Say he kidnap somebody.
It's from here that you capture without the hand.
Look at this. But you need to know the numbers. I think it's like you need like white envelopes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. This.
So those ones are
Yes, this one for your camera people that want to keep this thing.
But is there a sample of the whole? Like a
sample
cup?
of the
Yes, yeah, they're taking it there.
Okay.
Inside this truck, 3 or 4 people carry one. And they throw. And when these are metal,
Yeah, that's one.
they remove the other one.
Hey, not boy.
This one is doing something.
Just confirm if he has already taken it.
Yes. Because you are not taking those 2 cocaine and then they also.
my correct after.
As they are doing this, your phone. Video. Are you here?
Where is the conductor? Where is the driver? Which
The
of them
tanker.
do you want? Of the tanker?
Driver and the conductor. Fix each of the components.
Go and join the line. Go and join the parade.
Left, right! Left, right! Left, right!
Thank you. We are parading 3 categories of suspects. The first category are those who specialize in vandalizing critical national assets and infrastructures, especially with railway, relating to railway materials in terms of railway sleepers and tracks. And I'm sure you are not new to this because we have been parading them. There's been a litter everywhere in the compound. We have 3 suspects here. One, Shitu Ismaila, Abubakar Sadiq, and Yahya Umar. They were arrested at Howe, near Taraku, in Gwa East local government area of the state. And they are arrested with 3 trucks loaded with railway tracks. These tracks have been vandalized. So they will speak for themselves, their involvement. But when we go legally, their crime is being in possession of vandalized critical national assets. They will speak for themselves. And the arrest took place 4th and 10th of February 2022. But that was just a summary. It was tug of war. We passed through hurdles. We passed through the eye of the needle to bring those 2 trucks in, apart from the one arrested on the 4th. The other 2 trucks arrested on the 10th. There were a lot of hula baloo. Sister agencies conniving with them, aiding and abetting them, even stalling our movement by stopping us incessantly on the road. I have to make calls, warn some of them to allow my people to go. And then they went as far as removing the batteries so that we can move the vehicles. But God gave us victory. The vehicles are in here. The worth of the goods is over 20 million naira. The second category of people here are kidnappers or what you call adopters. The case is deep because stemming from the 12th December 2021, a vehicle that left Enugu en route to Taraba State, precisely Wukari, was intercepted by these adopters or kidnappers. The vehicle was carrying 18 passengers, and they turned them back to Ukum local government, and where they began the Dastard Act. From our investigation, through one of the victims that were released after paying a ransom of 200,000 naira, we discovered that some POS operators were used in transferring the funds. And that's why one of the POS operators is here. They transfer, first of all, 300,000, and then 250,000, and then another POS, 200,000, at different dates and time. The arrests were made at various times. First one was on 11 February, and the other one was done on earlier than that, 7th of January. But God helping us, the prime suspect were gotten on 11 February. They have been on the run, masterminding their way, but God gave us victory. So they are here, and they'll be charged to court for kidnapping. The third suspects, or the third category of suspects, are those who are dealing with the adulteration, diversion of petroleum products, AGO. And there are 3 suspects in our net. One, Abubakar Usman, 30 years old, Adamu Bafa, 25 years old, and Usman Abba, 18 years old. They were arrested 12 February at Vandekia. The truck, 3,000 litre truck, carrying what we call blue oil, loaded at Port Harcourt. Destination was supposed to be Yola in Adamawa State, but they are diverting it to Kano State. So they will answer for themselves. They too will be charged to court. That is what we have for you. Meanwhile, there are scattered exhibits in the yard. Keke na pep. By the time we get the wind, when they knew we were coming, they took to their heel. They were also arrested. Keke na pep, they are all there. The suspects ran away. As it is now, nobody have claimed ownership of those keke. We're asking them if they appear, they will bring out those who are driving the keke and who is the owner of the good. The same thing referred to the trucks. Owners have not appeared, and the owners of the good are yet to be identified. So thank you very much. And I want to use this forum to warn those who operate POS. When somebody comes to your stand and say, give me your phone, I want to give you an account number. I want you, somebody transferring money to my account, 300,000, 200,000. You should be wary of them. You should be very, very careful. If somebody really wants to do business, you should come with ATM, not do transfer. And what our investigation find out that one of the POS man, his phone is what they use in making the contact of the victims. To negotiate the ransom. Unknown to him what they are doing. So that's why I want those who are operating POS to be very careful and know how.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.